my goals when I built this company was that HZad Education is not just going to deliver English courses, but also help immigrants or people looking to come to Canada with finding job opportunities and securing their financial future. I'm very proud to announce that our company has now partnered with various employers, multiple employers and staffing companies around Canada with links and resources where we are able to now offer you the right placements, the right jobs that you're looking for. So what we're needing now is candidates who are interested will email us with their resumes and a little bit about their background. We will build your candidate profile and link you to the right employers and the job openings that are offered. If you want more information about this, you can also email us. The email is in the description, but the steps are pretty straightforward. You send us your information, we send it to the potential employers, we find you the right match. And if you are looking for a job, not only will you get a job, but you will also be able to upgrade your job if the current work you are in is not fulfilling your financial needs or your career goals. It's time to upgrade in 2023. Most people do different jobs or jump from one field to another to upgrade. This is the new generation. We no longer work 10, 20 years in one job. So if you're interested, send us your information. The steps for that are in the description. We'll now not only help you with your English lessons, but also in helping you with your career goals. So I'm very excited to announce this, and I'm very excited to let people get their dream job and make this process so much simpler for everybody involved. If you have any questions, feel free to email us if you like the video. And if you want to hear more about our future opportunities and more about job openings, subscribe, share, and like the video. Thank you very much.